triathlon clinic for the 16 or the juniors and the under 23s. So we'll be doing clinics for swimming, cycling, and running. Ken, you will be my assistant coach. So you'll be in charge of the registrations, and you're a doctor and a lifeguard. So we have the rescue can, we have the first aid kit here. So anything happens, you take charge. Guys, welcome to Coach Norman's ITU Triathlon Clinic. This will be about this introduction to competitive triathlon, ITU type of racing. When I say ITU type, when you see the Olympics, how they race in the Olympics in terms of triathlon, yun ang i-discuss ko. The difference between ITU type of racing, the difference between ITU type of racing and Ironman. ITU type of racing is drop feedback when it comes to bike. They're gone, but by all at the same time. See that? We're diving all at the same time. Sorry. The rest of you guys will be doing triathlon specific workouts. Triathlon specific swim workouts or skills. Okay? Gagawin natin mass start, kayo sabay-sabay. Swim tayo sabay-sabay. We'll be doing cycling, doing sa harapan. Anyway, around here.
The first swim is going to be 400 meters. Second is 100 meters, then the last.
What's your best time to 50? Continue to swim by raising your elbow a little bit higher. Yeah, a little bit higher. Slide, glide, pull, glide, pull. Make sure that you're pulling on your front foot. Sean, go with your waist foot first. It's on. Helmet. Then rock your bike. Hold your bike here. Rock your bike.
I can't hold the bike from there. Enough to do the bike international today.
Yeah. Oo, pareho.
Sundad ka sa akin.
One leg drill. Sa mga drills, ang tawag din one leg drill. When you see sa email ko na one leg drill.
Control the crowd.
Yes, bike a big bike. Yeah. Highest on bike. Ready, go. Go. I need.
Your hands. Your hands.
Mga 8. Mga 8 naman nakuha.
800 meters.
Tomorrow na lang.
Yellow line.
Magkano bang... Go.